What's up, San Antonio? I'm student meteorologist Khalil Ray, and right now we're sitting at 59 degrees with winds coming in from the south at 10 miles an hour and a very low dew point sitting at 28 degrees. Now, most of us here in this south central Texas are going to be sitting in the 50s with the exception of a couple of areas like Karnes City, already reaching 65 degrees. Cotulla, you're already at 60. In the areas further to the north like Bulverde, Kerrville, and Rock Springs, you're going to be in those mid 50s. We're almost here at 60 at San Antonio and New Braunfels, so we are steadily starting to warm up throughout the rest of the day, and that's going to continue throughout the next few hours. Now, along with those cooler temperatures, we also have some of those lower dew points, so it's not going to feel really moist. It's going to feel like a really crisp coolness that you're going to see when you get outside. So 28 here, San Antonio, 12 degrees in Bulverde. That is extremely low for a dew point. But we do have some areas on the map starting to finally reach the 30s. Still dry, but not as dry as a lot of these other areas that are in the teens and the 20s. Now with those dew points, we are watching these wind gusts possibly upwards of 10, 20, 30 miles an hour throughout the rest of this afternoon. And because of those strong winds and those lower dew points, we are under a fire weather warning, and that's going to continue throughout until 6 o'clock. For most of our area, extends south of here in San Antonio and further to the northwest, upwards to areas like Junction and possibly Johnson City. So that's going to continue throughout 6 o'clock. But overall, for the rest of your Veterans Day, we are looking pretty nice. Only expecting to reach the lower 70s, so it's going to feel really nice and sunny outside. Some very, very comfortable temperatures before we really start to drop back into the 60s this evening and then the 50s by tomorrow morning. So here's what we're looking at for the next 7 days. Again, we're going to continue to climb throughout the rest of the week from the 70s to the mid 80s by Friday, where we do have some moisture start to return. And because of that moisture, we are going to see some slight rain chances going into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday before we have another cold front that's going to push through on Tuesday, as a matter of fact. And I'll give you more updates on that cold front and some more rain chances coming up. But meanwhile, have a happy Veterans Day.